I'm on the dollar store to shop with you on a budget for your garden. Come. You can actually find really good things. Let me show you. Not everything is good, but there's good things. So right when we enter, we see these nice trellises and some little poles you can use to hang out your plants and hold things up, and they seem really sturdy. Nice. I also found this garden thermometer that I'm sure you can customize. And look at all these cute decorations that you can mix and match and create your fairy garden, some cute labels you can use. And that's what we're here for, to create something beautiful out of cheap raw material. Now these trowels and cultivators, they are really good material. They're sturdy and strong. I do recommend you buying it. There's some fertilizers of this well-known brand. You can get it for your indoor plants. Now, 3 saucers for $1? Yes, please. Now, pruners only if you're really in a bias. You're really light, really cheap. The blade is okay. The gloves are excellent. I really recommend them. These cocoa learners are a bit expensive, but they're good, so I'll get it. You really have to look around because most of things are plastic and not so great, but you can find good things. Look at these tiny terracotta pots. They're cute for $1. Yes, I found potting soil and I'm not sure if it's good, but I'll test and let you know. I hope you like this video, like and subscribe.